Hey comic lovers, it's time for new update. We already know that productions across the film and television industry were disrupted by the spread of COVID-19 across the globe. But it sounds like Marvel Studios is finally gearing up for business with Shang-Chi and the Legend of the Ten Rings likely to resume production soon. So viewers, let's get started today's 3-hour Comic-Con update. The film was already pushed back from its original release date in February and will now premiere in theaters on May 7, 2021. That's contingent on if everything goes according to plan, which means Shang-Chi cannot suffer any more major setbacks or shutdowns because of coronavirus in order to hit that release date. According to a new report from Deadline, Marvel Studios is hopeful to resume filming for Shang-Chi in Australia by the end of July. The report notes that the cast and crew who return to Australia will have to quarantine upon arrival, as per the nation's policy amid the coronavirus pandemic. The production originally shut down in February after director Dustin Daniel Cretton isolated himself and got tested for COVID-19. As many of you know, Dustin, director of Shang-Chi, has a newborn baby. He writes a note to the cast and crew of Shang-Chi. He wanted to exercise additional caution given the current environment and decided to get tested for COVID-19. He is currently self-isolating under the recommendation of his doctor. Marvel Studios said while he waits for the results of the test, we are suspending first unit production in an abundance of caution until he gets the results this coming week. Second unit and off production will continue as normal. We will reach out to everyone by Thursday for the latest update. This is an unprecedented time. We appreciate everyone's understanding as we work through this. This would be the second film from Disney to resume production across the globe, after Avatar 2 restarting filming in New Zealand last month. Actor Simu Liu, who has remained in Australia as film was suspended, recently spoke out the pressure of signing on for the Marvel Cinematic Universe. To take a quote from Stan Lee, the legend himself, with great power there must also come great responsibility, Liu explained. But I think the reason I have the platform I do is because I have leaned into my Asianness. If you are going to ask an entire population to support you, to rally behind you and give you a platform, I won't shy away from that responsibility. I feel like we have been shying away from it as people for too long, especially the children of immigrants who are taught to keep their heads down. We have reached the limit of that philosophy. Shang-Chi and the Legend of the Ten Rings is currently scheduled to premiere in the theatre on May 7, 2021. If you are new to our channel, we are 3-hour Comic-Con with all the information about the comic world created for the comic fans. Please subscribe it now and click the bell icon next to it so that the notification of all our videos reaches you first.